Welcome to BKT Outdoors. Today I am sitting here in Capitol Forest at Fall Creek Campground, a very popular place for horseback. It's closed right now, so I'm parked down at the gate and I hiked on in here to just be by myself and try out a new product that I just got. Cook and Escape, a little cup. It's a titanium cup, and I have not purchased any titanium cookware yet. I've been meaning to, so I thought I'd dip my toes in the water and try this out. Nice little carrying bag. Comes with a lid. Wow, it's really light. Not bad. I think I paid about 25 bucks for this on Amazon. Cook and Escape titanium 450 milliliter. So that's about 10 ounces, I guess. And then we'll try out my handy dandy stove. Turn that down a touch. We'll see how long it takes to heat it up. One of the things that I've heard with titanium is that it doesn't heat real evenly. Super lightweight, but it has a tendency to heat in one spot. So we'll see. In the meantime, Capitol Forest is in Washington State, right by the Capitol, Olympia. I think it's about 640,000 acres, or no, 64,000 acres, something like that. You can get into Capitol Forest numerous ways. If you get online to the Washington State Department of Natural Resources website, you can figure out how you want to approach it. If you've never been here before, you just need to make sure you have a Discover Pass. It costs 30 bucks for an annual pass, $10 for a day pass. No difference if you're in-state or out-of-state resident, but it's a nice place to come. Got a lot of people running around. You've got hikers, you've got bikers, runners, dog walkers, motorcycle, off-road vehicles, UTVs, you name it, everybody's up here. Hunting, fishing, gold prospecting, picking salal and other forest products. There's a lot of logging that goes on up here. So if you do come, make sure you bring a CB radio on the weekdays in particular to make sure that you know where the logging is going on. Looks like it's starting to steam up already. Got bubbles. Going pretty quick. And I'm right at the 10-ounce mark. So that's your standard cup of coffee or tea. Yeah, it's heating up quick. I mean, been like maybe a minute. And it looks like it's bubbling up over the whole area. It's not just coming in one spot, which is not really what I expected. And I think if I put this lid over it, maybe it will heat up faster. Anyway, so far I like the product. I mean, for 25 bucks, I think I'm gonna order up the Cook and Escape in a bigger one. They make them in a couple different sizes. I can get a 750 milliliter and I think a 1200 milliliter, and I can put them inside each other so they can nest in there together. I think I might order it. Yeah. Take a look at it. I'll put the link down below. and tell me what you guys think. So far, I'm pretty happy with it. Anyway, have a good one. Get outdoors.